Thank you, and again, welcome. Glad to have over 100 attendees in the session today. I'll get started by going directly to introducing our Shelby County Mayor, Lee Harris. Mayor Harris.
Very good. Well, very good, and good morning. Thanks a lot for that. I'm really appreciative of the Chamber for partnering on this convening. The Chamber has really been leading a lot of conversations around how the next transition will unfold. Now that we're in this public health emergency, things have moved extremely rapidly. In March, just by way of example, March 1st is kind of the start of the COVID environment in a lot of ways. And on March the 1st, we had about 36 confirmed cases of COVID in the entire United States. Fast forward to today, we have over 1 million COVID cases today. So things have gone really, really fast. And when things move as quickly as they have, you sometimes don't get an opportunity to reflect, to have conversations, and to plan, most importantly, about how things should progress. And so that's why this conversation is critically important, because it gives us a chance to confab with small business owners and experts on small business about what to expect and how to go about being successful as they were before the public health emergency to being successful again. So Shelby County government is no different than your small businesses. We've had to make a number of adjustments. We didn't close during this moment, but we have taken a look at everything that we do from soup to nuts and figured out how to make changes to confront the new environment that we all find ourselves in. So Shelby County government has done things like adjust our work policy to allow work at home, which is something very different and very innovative for a local government. You tend to have to show up to work, and as I said, we didn't close, but we did accommodate about 20% of our workforce with a customized work at home solution. We've also gone in and taken a look at things like our paid parental leave and our paid sick leave and see how we can adjust those policies to be more accommodating for employees that either contract coronavirus, have a high risk of contracting coronavirus, or need to take care of their family. All of these kinds of changes, a total review of everything we do applies to both the large organizations and the small organizations. We know that our small businesses are really the fuel to our economy, that's where our entrepreneurs sit. That's where a lot of hiring is done. And that's actually where we need to do a lot of partnership. And so we know this environment is new. And because it's new, sometimes it is scary and challenging. And so we wanted to play our role to try to bring forth a conversation. So again, thanks to the panelists who will offer their expertise and insights about how this change will look. And thanks to the Chamber for their leadership, because I think we're doing 4 of these today, and they're all been really, really well attended, and everybody's been really, really active and encouraged about what the future might hold. So with that, thanks a lot, Andre, and I'll hand it back to you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for your leadership. This is really a great partnership, and I'm pleased to be a part of it. Thank you also those who are joining us today, and we're in for some really great informative sessions that I think will be immensely helpful. Just last year, some of you may realize that Shelby County government celebrated 200 years since its founding, and then founded in 1838, the Greater Memphis Chamber is also one of the city's most storied and longest standing organizations. And I'm happy to say that I've been honored to lead that organization. Both Shelby County government and the Chamber have been there to support this community during the coronavirus and some of its most difficult days and times. And we remain ready to do the same. At the Greater Memphis Chamber, we have provided a series of webinars and conference calls, conversations with the health department and other infectious disease doctors and our elected officials, both from a local and national perspective, to provide information. We've also helped small businesses understand better the SBA disaster injury loan and the the payroll protection program. So we are here working, yes, on behalf of business, but also on behalf of the broader Memphis and Shelby County community. So thank you again, Mayor Harris, for joining us. Thank you for allowing me to join you. And we look forward to a series of informative sessions today. Thank you.